Shri Gopal Krishnan, President CAI, and General Secretary Mr. Chandrit Banerjee ji, Chairman Deep Kuparia ji, and Ashok ji, the co-chairman, CAI fraternity and MSMI fraternity, ladies and gentlemen, press friends. So many important, valuable sessions given by you. Just I want to think how to go to compete our industries in the international market. Quality is not only the issue is competitiveness, then quality, then quantity. Rightly pointed out now, Gopal Krishnan ji, demand is less. Why? Where the quality is there, competitiveness is there, the demand will be there. For that purpose, you are a bridge between the MSME, between banks and the entrepreneurs. CAI has to proactive, efficiently, effectively, then only Indian industry will come up. Let us say example, China is producing so many things. In every market in the whole world, you can see it is visible in the Chinese products. On these issues, I want your suggestions. In a 1 year, they are changing the designs. If you have to reach that design, they are going much ahead with the other design of the same product. Then how to compete? This is R&D, and you people has to work together to see that to reach to the goal where the Chinas are there. You try to go much ahead. For that purpose, you guide us. You tell us what the government has to do, what CAI has to do, what R&D has to do. This is the most important area. We have to compete with the world market our products. I am happy. You are the people, 40% export, the total 45% the total production of the Indian industrial products. But I am really happy, so much of the large scale, 8 crore population is employing, more than 3 crore entrepreneurs are there. It is not a small issue, it is a big one, it is a large one compared to the other countries in this world. But these are the areas where we have to participate. You guide us properly. This is the simple, I don't want to make lengthy speech, where you are lagging behind. How to compete with the world market on these products, whether it is China, the German or Japan, whichever the countries. But this is R&D has to be very perfectly go much ahead. But your participation, your activeness is more important to protect the industries. Of course, we are giving the subsidy. We are open the National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange. The Honorable Finance Minister, under the able guidance of Sonia Gandhi, Pradhan Mantri Prime Minister, 3 years tax free also has given. Why? Let come forward. We are giving a just help hand to grow small industries. I am happy today more than 100 units has coming from small to medium, medium to large. At least every year 10 to 20% of the small becomes medium, medium becomes large. For this also you can have a proper program, how to go about, what is the assistance is required, how you have to encourage and to give support for the entrepreneurs. So these are the areas skilled. This is the most important area. This government UPA 2 has further, we are going to start 15 tool rooms in the states where there is no tool rooms. That is the priority. In a month, we are going to start in Karnataka at the airport. The Honorable Chief Minister has to give a consent. We are laying the foundation stone for the tool rooms. You know very well about the tool rooms. What is the placement also you know very well, 85 to 90% placement, those who have trained in the tool rooms. There is hardly 10 tool rooms in this country. In this 12th plan, we have taken 15 tool rooms at 2,200 crores we are spending to develop the tool rooms. Haryana, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Karnataka state governments have come forward to give free land. And there we are going to start laying the foundation for the tool rooms. This is one of the most important area where we have to train properly to our young generation to give strength for them. Competitiveness and research organization, quality to compete with the world market. These areas, I think you have given some suggestions. Make it properly. We will sit it in Delhi. Give me a valuable suggestions where the government has to come forward to help to strengthen your R&D. That is the only area we can do something to strengthen the R&D. R&D can only to achieve, to go much ahead in Indian industries. For that purpose, I am very much worried because I have seen in the market so many products which has produced by the China and other countries. Changing every year, design and everything, attracting the society. And this is one of the area where we have to compete. For that purpose, we are fully cooperate, the government of India, with you. This is one I would like to clear for you. And this is one of the area you have to come forward. Financial support you are asking. What type of support you require? 20% we have already given the marketing development, some of the areas. It is not fully where we have to give. How to give? This is one only the khadi industries we are giving, but this guarantee, this is up to 1 crore we are giving for the other industries, other than the khadi also. On these issues, you have to give a proper valuable sessions. We will sit in Delhi and to sort out this issue. I want to see that Indian industry has to grow, to compete with them. With another 5-10 years, we should be among the 5, the world, the competitive countries in the industrial development. For that purpose, we, the Government of India, the Chairperson Sonia Gandhi ji, Prime Minister, Finance Minister, all together, they are supporting for us. We want valuable suggestions from the CII. CII is the one, is the bridge between the industries bank. Banks cooperation also most important. I would like to ask the chairman, some small meeting is required with the lead bank and the other banks to sit together. Their cooperation is more important. A liberalization is required while advancing the loans. If there is wandering, going, coming another 5 months, 6 months, he cannot survive the industry. There, we are very strictly instructed to the bankers. You have to cooperate for this one. I hope now the lead bank, the chairman, Mr. Dubai, see last time he was there with that CI in Delhi. He is fully cooperating. So next meeting you call him, he is fully cooperating. The other banks, State Bank of India, Mysore and so many banks, it is a mother place for the banks. There is no problem for here to call all the banks and see that they should be come forward to make little liberalization on financing advancing. For all these purposes, we will meet again in Delhi, and I will assure you that whatever the requirement assistance to develop the industries in a research side particularly. I am very much particular with the research we have to compete with the world. For that purpose, I am thinking, I have studied all these things. That is the only area our help is more required. Banks are there. We will insist on the banks to advance the loans for you people. But these are the areas where technical areas, you cannot individually do it. There is required an assistance, and CII, a bridge between all these organizations. Thank you, one and all. We will meet again in Delhi. Thank you very much.